Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Volvo XC60 T5. This one is white. Underneath the hood is an inline 5 turbo with 260 horsepower. For wheels we got 18-inch wheels. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. X60 T5 all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, a keyless go, media display. Hard keys for the media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Volvo has 123,379 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo XC60 T5, visit us at feldmanimports.com.